Wapo dyan, untay mga afam dyan. Kasi mga bagets pa lang. Mga bagets pa. So di ba Ken? Pasok sa ano, banga. Saigon 5G 751. So let's go. Limupat kami ng area. Unsay 105. So ba tayo? Isang boarding na tayo, sa area na tayo.
I don't know.
Wow.
I forgot.
So ang flight namin is sa 9. So time check is quarter to 9 na. So laban. Tara, ang tigas.
Good to all passengers of Jetstar Asia Flight 766 bound for Singapore. This is not yet your boarding announcement. Once again, this is not yet your boarding announcement. So please remain seated while I explain to you Jetstar Asia's boarding
Gago.
procedure. First to board
Hindi
are
pa yun.
passengers
Eh, may wala, oh.
traveling with small
Sarap
children
lang.
and passengers needing special assistance. Passengers seated on rows 1, rows 2,
Kasi guys, kanina guys, may nakilala lang kami doon.
will also be
Tatrabaho
accounted
sa
for
tapak
first.
kasi
Next to board are passengers
kilala lang.
seated in rows 20 to 30, followed by passenger
Boarding pass and passport ready for scanning.
Passport lang?
Thank you and have a fun flight with us.
Ayan na. Bye guys. So pupunta na kami. Ayan na. Anong pakiramdam? Naalis ka na talaga, ma?
Well, I'm so happy.
Happy. So, ayan na. So, ayan na guys. 105. Bakit?
Kinabahan ako bigyan. Negative po.
So, ayan na guys. Pababa na kami.
Kinabahan ako sinabi ng negative po.